Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex, your co-host, ready to dive into some really exciting stuff today.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're tackling a challenge that a lot of our listeners, especially small business owners, face: hiring. Specifically, how to leverage incredible AI tools without breaking the bank.
Exactly. We all know about the big players in conversational hiring AI, like Paradox and its Olivia assistant. They've really shown the world how powerful conversational hiring can be. Things like text to apply, screening, scheduling at massive scale. But let's be real, Jamie. That's built and priced for the enterprise, not for a small business owner hiring one or two roles at a time.
Absolutely. If you're running a small shop, you don't need that enterprise coordination layer, and the pricing often isn't transparent enough to justify. The problem is, small businesses still need that speed. Think about it. A great applicant applies at 8 p.m. You're closing up or cooking dinner. By the time you reply the next afternoon, they've got 3 other interviews booked. Speed is the whole game, and most small businesses don't have a dedicated recruiter to provide it.
That's so true. So what should a hiring platform built for a small team actually do? It needs to act like a recruiter, but without the salary. We're talking instant replies, day or night, asking real screening questions, booking interviews automatically, sending reminders to cut no-shows, and following up with warm candidates. And crucially, it needs to connect to the tools you already use and cost what a small business can actually afford.
Exactly. And we found some fantastic alternatives to Paradox that bring that value within reach of a small team. When we looked at these platforms, we focused on conversational reliability, how many channels they cover, automation depth, pricing transparency, and their actual fit for a small business, not a national brand. These are insider recommendations, not just a directory.
All right, let's jump into the top one, which really goes furthest because it does more than just screen. Coming in at number 1 is Cogni Agent. Jamie, this one stood out for a reason.
It really did, Alex. Where Paradox is a conversational hiring specialist for the enterprise, Cogni Agent is a cognitive AI platform that a small business can actually start using for free. It combines 3 powerful capabilities: conversational AI agents that hold real applicant conversations, autonomous agents that run screening and follow-up in the background, and deterministic automation that connects to your existing tools. Imagine a single applicant message triggering a full first-pass screen, a calendar check, a booked interview, and a reminder sequence, all without you touching it.
That's huge. And the agents work across web chat, SMS, WhatsApp, email, even voice, so you meet candidates where they are. Plus, reliability is key here. Cogni Agent boasts a 92% first attempt success rate, which is phenomenal. And the pricing? Self-serve, credit-based, starting free with 5,000 credits. No card required. You own your agents too, so your screening process becomes an asset, not just a rented service. That's a game changer for small businesses.
It truly is. But Cogni Agent isn't the only great option out there. For growing teams that want conversational screening tied to their existing ATS, Humanly is a strong contender. They automate engagement, screening, interviewing, and scheduling, and connect to common applicant tracking systems, giving you that Paradox-style conversation without the enterprise packaging.
And if you're looking for structured video interviews and assessment-based screening to standardize evaluation, HireVue is excellent. It helps reduce bias and guesswork by judging every applicant on the same criteria. Then there's Workable, which is a widely used ATS that's added AI sourcing and candidate matching. Perfect if you want a full ATS with some AI assistance built in.
For high-volume hiring, especially for frontline and hourly workers across multiple sites, Fountain and WorkStream are specialists. They keep a large funnel moving without adding staff. And if you just want to replace the live phone screen with recorded video, Spark Hire offers a simple, affordable solution. There are also budget-conscious async screening options like HireVire, and Breezy HR offers a really simple visual applicant pipeline for small businesses.
So the takeaway here is that Paradox showed the market what conversational hiring can do, but these alternatives bring that value to a business that can't justify an enterprise contract. Each solves a part of the problem, but a purpose-built cognitive AI platform like Cogni Agent really stands out because it doesn't stop at one part.
That's right. It screens the applicant, validates answers, books the interview, and runs the follow-up in the background, all connected to your existing tools. And with that 92% first attempt success rate and credit-based pricing that scales with your hiring, not your headcount, it's incredibly compelling. If you liked what Paradox does but not what it costs for a small team, you can actually start with Cogni Agent for zero cost. Just sign up at cogniagent.ai, use their AI concierge to describe your hiring flow, and have a working screening agent live in days.
That's an amazing opportunity for small businesses to truly leverage cutting-edge AI. Thanks for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for listening to Top Tech Growth Hacks. Keep growing.